Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable or disable your cookies on Chrome. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, first access your Chrome browser and go to your home section and tap on this three dot icon on top right corner and go ahead tap on this settings icon and scroll down to the bottom till you find this option called site settings. Go ahead, tap on it. And now here in this section, you're going to find all kinds of options, including this option called content section. And there you can see cookies, right? Third party cookies. Go ahead, tap on it. Here you can section, you can find this three options which shows allow third party cookies, block third party cookies in incognito mode, or block third party cookies. If you want to disable it, simply go ahead tap on this third option. If you want to enable it, simply go ahead tap on the first option. Or if you simply want to block it for incognito mode, go ahead choose this middle one. That is how you can switch to any of the options regarding your cookie settings in the Chrome. And yes guys, this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.